Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to use cheap music bot in Discord server. Before start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search here cheapbot.gg. It will take you to the official Cheapbot website. Then click on Invite Cheap. Then select your server and click Continue. Then click on Authorize and prove that you're a human. Here you can see the bot has been successfully added to my server. Then join a voice channel and type the command /search and in this input box type the song name and hit enter. And that's how you can simply use cheap music bot in Discord server. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and we'll see you in the next video.